We're back work on car. Okay.
We're back work on car? Where are you,
caveman? Should I go get a towel? So right now we're unscrewing the coolant so we can get this chrome piece on. Right?
Yeah. But
if we leave everything steady and we only move the bolt, it should be fine.
Yeah. It should have a gasket.
Theoretically.
It still has another bolt, like, keep that together.
Cool and all. He was very informal, but like I was tired. New one, shit. Old one, shit. Those bolts are really short.
Yeah. Okay, so these are the bottoms. The top one's gonna be really long.
I don't think we told you guys this, but our goal right now is that there's this car show in the town next to us, Milliken, and we're trying to get it ready for that show next year. They're not all the way on yet, but that looks pretty nice already. That chrome piece and that one down there looks pretty good with it.
Yeah. It's solid. Got little scratches on our paint.
Touch up paint.
It looks better, right?
Yeah. All right, time to close the garage.
Yeah, let's close the garage. All right, Michael's testing this thingamabob.
My ass. Should I just?
Yeah, try up there. Holy smoke, that takes stuff off fast.
Yeah. Damn, that wasn't even like a second on it.
Yeah. Yeah, just be quick.
You could also just do like the.
Yeah, just be quick. Go ahead. Can't breathe or what? Here, let me try.
I think we gotta get a mask. That's really fast.
Yeah. Let me see. I'm worried about this part over here.
The wax?
Let me turn it off right here.
Yeah. Push forward and do not get a piece of clothing stuck in there. You have to like push down and up. Don't get that cord stuck in it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, right. Let's move it. This is what I'm worried about, because it looks like there's some bond over here.
We're back from Harbor Freight. Bought some masks. Bought masking tape so we can cover all the bits and bobs. We bought that thingy. Light. We got a second light. It's in the engine bay right now, though. I'll show you guys it once we get out of here. And then we bought a heater. A good heater. Apparently.
It's a forced air propane heater, just to heat up the garage.
Yes. So yeah, looking fun like a grinding.
Alright, I was complaining earlier that we didn't working in here. We got nice lights up in the garage. I mean, it's almost like daytime in here, but obviously in the engine bay, it's not. So we bought this little thing at Harbor Freight. Looked kind of neat. It's got a button on it. Bam. There it is. Now you can see everything nice. Nice and bright. You can move it around if you need to. Over here. And on this side. What if you need down here? Stick it on somewhere. It's got got a magnet, so it sticks. Pretty cool. Can't grind metal without your shoes tied.
Yeah, I gotta be safe. Got some. Oh wait, I already told you guys that we got masks. Never mind.
Yep, he got a mask on. He's afraid of car COVID. Actually, you don't want to be breathing
Car
this
cancer, probably.
crap in, yeah. Old paint and rust and crap. Probably not very good for your lungs.
Oh god damn it! Oh, I remember this when I had my glasses on. What a mess.
Ah, it's hitting me in the eye.
My eyes!
It's all spraying right in my face.
Oh god, I can't see. A little overview of everything we've done. It's kind of all over the place. Bought a couple lights. Put on some chrome pieces. Looks all nice now. So basically the alternator pieces, and got some new chrome bolts. The main part of today, start over here. We covered up the dash and stuff because we started grinding right here. You can kind of see it's all down to bare metal mostly. There's a lot of dust kind of covering it, the metal itself, but that's fine. We'll clean it up after, so it's good to paint. But we have done the, let's see if I can zoom out more. Yep, we've done the whole entire, let's say rear, or like let's say driver back seat about. So pretty good progress. I don't think we're doing this one because this one already has the paint on it. But anyways, that's it. Oh, there's the heater that we bought. That you don't. Alrighty, so right now I'm in the Camaro. We've done a very large amount of stuff, and I don't have basically all of it on video, or any of it on video, because it was just a lot. So I'll go ahead, give you guys a little tiny overview. I think last time where we left off, if even, like I posted a video about it, we got a angle grinder and grinded down this whole entire thing right here. But then I decided to like go ahead and like just be alone for a couple hours one day, and I got basically most of the rest of the inside. Of course, there's little spots like that you know, can't get to. And we also discovered some rust, some holes, pitting and holes, more holes. There's a couple of holes over there. But yeah, right now I'm just using this wire brush, the shop vac that we bought. You guys should already know about that. I'll put it in the video. And this big wire brush and a duster just to clean it all, because supposedly we are supposed to be painting and stuff tomorrow. So I'm just trying to get it all ready. Alrighty, it's the next day.
Next day?
Yeah.
What do you mean next day?
It's the next day.
I haven't worked on this car in 3 weeks.
I worked on it yesterday though. Anyways, it's the next day and we got, see the new Dremel bits? Because we bought some speakers and we have to cut out, you can see the Sharpie outline. Got to cut the hole a little bit bigger because it doesn't fit. This is gonna take like 30 years. Alright, he got done. He got done with the cutting. Now he's filing it down so we don't destroy ourselves later on when we're painting and stuff. We got it. Alright, so when he's doing that side, I'm gonna come around with the paint and paint everywhere where there's little holes or like very bad rust.
Yep. So before we get bad comments, we just don't have the money to put a whole new flooring and weld it in and all that. Maybe someday that's something we can do. We'll just have to pull a new carpet up and stuff and redo it. But for now, just to try to slow it down a little bit, I'm gonna try to put some anti-rust stuff. That one's really bad.
Yeah. Okay, you're done with this side. And
Yeah.
did you just tell me that you eyeballed it?
I did just eyeball it.
Okay.
So I mean, I had a circle,
Yeah.
like from the template, right? But that wasn't exactly the right fit for that. We needed it a little bigger.
It
than
does
the
look
template.
different.
It does, huh? It looks a little bigger. Man, I hope it doesn't just fall through.
Let's see.
Hey! Perfect. Perfect, dude.
Thank God it didn't. Oh, that literally is perfect. You guys already know we're Bondo experts.
Yeah, right. That crystal, maybe you can do a cut back to that crystal you found in
Yeah,
the
the crystal meth I found in the other one. Reveal. I mean,
What the hell is this? What is that?
that's a Bondo.
It's like a crystallized brain. Whoa, dude, that smells so.
Just got high, dude.
Dude, that smells so meth. Meth. I think we made meth. Smell that.
Oh, that smells
It's all chemically.
Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows, everything.
That wasn't really
So
crystal
bad.
meth.
It could have been, man. I don't know. I'm pretty sure if you could.
For legal reasons, we were not hiding meth in a Bondo can.
No. Look underneath. Really?
Yeah.
Is it going through?
Yeah.
All right, we need to put something down there.
Don't know if I showed you guys this, but that's the new fuel pump over there. I think we forgot about that. Okay, I got it all lined out. Sorta. Now we're gonna paint the top. All right, after a little bit, like a day or two, more painting and everything, we're done. You can see it's all black, all nice. Kind of looks like the photos of new ones. You can still kind of see a little bit dusty in some spots because we didn't cover those holes very good, or initially we didn't, so some dust everywhere. But yeah, pretty good. This whole entire down there should be new. I bounded it and everything myself. But yeah, that's that. We just gotta kind of clean it up a tiny bit more, and that's ready. We also started to work back here. This will be in a separate video though. This will take a little bit to get, but let's see. I also bonded all these because there's a couple holes there. But yeah, this should be all ready to paint and everything because it's not very wasn't very rusted, and if it was just surface. But yeah, that's it, and that's where we're gonna end off the video today.